Now here we have some examples of the bullish and the bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, this is an engulfing bearish candle, also called the engulfing bar. And here is a bullish engulfing candle, also called the bullish engulfing bar. Okay, now bullish engulfing candles engulf the previous bearish candles after a downswing price move, and the bearish engulfing candles engulf the previous bullish candles after a upswing price move. We have a downswing price move, price is going downwards, and then we have this bullish engulfing candle. See this bullish engulfing candle engulfed all these candles. So this is a nice bullish engulfing candle, and as a result, prices rallied. Okay, here we also have a bullish engulfing candle engulfing this bear candle here. So this is also a nice bullish engulfing candle. We also have a bullish engulfing candle here. We also have a bullish engulfing candle here. So several bullish engulfing candles. Now here we have a bearish engulfing candle. So we had this upswing here, this upswing price move, and then we have this bearish engulfing candle. Here, another example of a bearish engulfing candle, and you can see how the market reacts to these candles. Bearish engulfing candle, market fell. Bearish engulfing candle, market fell. So candlestick patterns can be extremely lucrative to trade. Now pause this video for a while and try to identify the candlestick patterns on this chart. Now, did you identify these patterns? Did you get this tweezer bottom here? Did you get this engulfing bullish candle here? So several candlestick patterns on this chart. Here we have a nice evening star. Here we have an evening star again, and look at this evening star, market fell, pulls back. Evening star, market falls. Engulfing bearish candle, market falls. Market rallies, evening star. So you can see that these candlestick patterns are extremely powerful. Okay, extremely powerful, these candlestick patterns. Evening star here, the market fell. So several evening stars, several engulfing bearish candles. So these patterns are extremely important. Practice trading these patterns. Open a demo account and search for these patterns. Okay, it's very good to learn to identify these patterns on. Now pause the video again and try to identify as much candlestick patterns as possible. Now, did you get these patterns? Did you see this engulfing bullish candle here after this pullback? Engulfing bullish candle. Did you get this morning star here? Did you see this engulfing bullish candle here? We had an engulfing bullish candle here, but prices fell anyway. So nothing in Forex is 100%. The candlestick patterns won't work on every single occasion, which is why it's good to combine these candlestick patterns with other techniques. For example, we have a trend line here, and here we have a morning star pattern near the trend line, and look, prices rallied. So it's good to trade these candlestick patterns with other techniques such as trend lines, indicators, etc. Okay, it's good to combine your knowledge of these candlestick patterns with other methods of trading the Forex market. So lovely patterns here. We have nice bearish engulfing candle here, prices fell. Bullish engulfing candle, prices rallied, tweezer top, price pulled back. And yeah, we have a small bullish engulfing candle here, prices rallied. So absolutely amazing.